Yeah. Our friends from Toulouse. Yeah. It's Edredon Sensibile. In French, it means like a sensitive pillow. French, it's like the big blankets of our grandmothers, the big blankets like that. So. Initially, we wanted to make a big formation, a big band with only wind and drummers, and because we wanted to walk around the trance music, like the Brazilian music, like the batucada or the brass band of New Orleans, with free jazz and all of this, and finally we decided to make it like yeah. No, two time we made it with 40 musicians, like 40 wind and drummers.
Nice.
And it was unbelievable.
Yeah, it must have been great.
Yeah, I think we will do it again this year or next year. Yeah. We got two friends, which a couple, which the woman is Serbian, and they wanted to celebrate their 10 years of marriage.
Anniversary.
Yeah, anniversary.
Yes.
And we made a bus with all of our friends in Toulouse, in France, and we came in in Beograd.
Nice.
And
that's great. Great.
Together,
Yes.
since 7 years. 7 years. Yeah. We played in Swiss, in Belgium, in Swiss and Belgium, and we did a tour in America Latina, in Colombia, Ecuador, and Salvador. For now, it's the first day in Serbia.
Really?
And it's unbelievable. The people are so nice and so friendly and hospital. And yeah, it's unbelievable. Yeah, I like it. And we love rakia. Rakia is the best. The feeling was awesome. I think there is so power in this live, so love, and thanks you very much.
Yeah, brother.
Erfala.